Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and today I want to tell you guys about something that's really cool. I'm able to take a screenshot of any screen I have open. So not just like in Google Chrome or like in Firefox or your internet browser. I can take a screenshot of anything I have open. So I have like this video open, I want to take a screenshot of this, or if I have my browser open, I want to take this screenshot, or if I have my desktop open, and whatever you have open, if I have open my video editing software, it's this cool little program. It's called PicPic, okay? PicPic. You see the name right here. All right, and you can do, look, anything. Full screen capture, active window, window control, scrolling region, fixed region. I usually just do a region, and that way this little thing pops up, and then I can just do whatever I want right here. That's my screenshot. And then it pops up. It's going a little bit slower because of the computer, but it pops up right here. And then I can go to File, and I can make my edits here. You see all the little tools they have there. I don't really use any of that stuff unless you want to do like an arrow, or if you want to do an arrow, you can do the arrows, which is pretty cool. So you can do all these different little things with it if you wanted. So that's pretty cool. But you go File, Save As, and you can save it as a PNG, bitmap, JPEG, GIF, PDF, whatever you want to save it as. So that's pretty cool. There's a lot of other options. I don't really use all of them. You can check it out for yourself, but I just want to tell you, this is how I take screenshots of things that are not in my internet browser. So I wanted to share this resource with you guys. I hope you found it useful. Check out my other tutorials for some useful tips too. Alright guys, see you in the next video.